How to fix audio problem in Windows 11. Hey everyone, today we're going to look at how you can easily fix audio problem in Windows 11. Very first thing you want to do is open up your sound settings. You can do that by going over to the sound icon at the bottom. And then from here, you need to make sure that your sound is not muted. So if it's muted like this, you basically want to go ahead and increase your sound. This is the first method that you can check. Then you can just go ahead and click on this select sound output. Make sure your speaker is selected. So if you have multiple output devices for sound, you just need to make sure that the correct one is selected. Now click on more volume setting, and it's going to open up your sound settings from your system. On your output setting, make sure that your volume is max and see if that's working. And if you have this mono audio turned on, make sure to turn this one off. After doing so, you can scroll down here and then you'll find your volume mixer. Tap on it and you're able to change volume for different options. And on your output device, again, make sure that your speaker is selected. Since I only have one speaker, that is the only option shown here. But if you have multiple, make sure the correct one is selected. Go back and then you can scroll down and go to more sound settings. Once you open it up, you want to go over to sound. On playback, make sure that your speakers are enabled. If they are not, just go ahead and right click on it and then you'll find the enable option here instead of disable. What you can also do is you can disable it once, right click on it and then re-enable it. After that, you're going to have to right click on this again and then go to its properties. Once you click on properties, go to levels and make sure that this level is advanced. Now you just need to make sure that this audio sound does not look like this. This means that your output is muted. The same thing is for your microphone as well. So if this is looking like this, that probably means that your microphone is muted. So make sure that all of this is turned all the way to the top. Go to advanced, make sure it's selected to the highest bit. And then from there, you can just go to spatial sound, make sure it is turned off. And click on apply and then OK. Now restart your device once and everything should be fixed now. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you in the next one.